this club, I was following them. And big club always want to win the league and also to do more in other league matches and then FA Cup and all aspects. Me being here, I have a lot of goals being a player, but first of all, my goal is to help my club in the USM Orchies to do well in the league and also do well in the other competitions.
Okay, thank you. Next question. What can you say to the USM Alger fans? And you know that they are very big fans here. A lot of people loves the club and waiting you. What can you say to them?
Okay, USM Alger is a big family, and because of that, we have a big supporters out there supporting this club. What I'll tell them is that they should keep believing in me. Even before I joined this club, there was a lot of messages from their supporters wishing me well, and then some were even giving me confidence, they feel on how to succeed here. So after I have signed officially for this club, and what I can tell them is they should always keep praying for me. And I will also assure them always leave my heart out anytime I'm given the opportunity to play.
And last question, why we know a lot of people know that you have a lot of clubs wanting you, and why you choose USM Alger?
Okay, it is true. I had a lot of offers from different clubs, but I think there was a lot of things involved. That is why I chose USM Orchies over a couple of teams. And then I'm sure Anta here played a big role in my move here because after I had offers from that club, I didn't want to move from Kotoko because it was so deeply in my heart. And I had a call from a couple of people. They motivated me and then they told me that USM Orchies is going to help me to, develop my skills and being a player to also push me forward. So that is why I choose USM Orchies over other clubs.
Thank you.
You're welcome.